Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this watery eyes filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the filter. To get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just tap on the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, you will see this effect. Remember this image. Okay, if you can't see the filter here in TikTok, then what you can do, tap on this search button and search for watery eyes. Okay, the first one with 11.4 million videos, tap there. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for watery eyes filter. Okay, so here on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect, or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow, tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.